Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A16 with any Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings icon and then go to connections. Go to connections and here select mobile hotspot and tethering. And here just to turn on this button mobile hotspot. And now click over mobile hotspot. You will see several options. Here if you would like to set a password for your hotspot, yes, you can do it. I am not going to use any password as I am going to show a demo to you only. Okay. So to set a password, what you have to do is click on this password option and click on security. Click on security and here select WA2 personal and here you can set your password of your choice with minimum 8 characters. Okay, as I don't need any password, so I go to the home screen. Now come to your TV and go to settings in your TV. Go to settings of your TV here, then go to additional settings, then go to network and internet and here turn on Wi-Fi. And you will be receiving the hotspot signal here. Yes, this is the hotspot signal. Just click it and your TV will be connected to your phone through hotspot. Okay. Now come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store and go to Google Play Store and search Google Home here. Google Home and install this Google Home app. Just click on install and wait. Yes, it is being downloaded. Just wait. 43% completed. You should have active internet connection in your phone. Otherwise, you cannot download Google Home app. Yes, Google Home app is now installing in my phone. Just wait. Yes, after installing, just open. And follow the on-screen instructions. Click on get started and click on next. Give permission if it is needed and select the email ID for Google Home app. Okay, if you have multiple email ID associated with your phone, they will be listed here and you can choose any one of them. As I have only one, it is showing here and I have selected it. Okay, and allow nearby devices. Yes, click on location access, click on next. Yes, give it and now it will ask you to turn on Wi-Fi. Okay, if you activate and it will ask you to turn on Wi-Fi, but if you turn on Wi-Fi, what will happen? This mobile hotspot will be turned off. Okay, so don't do it. Just instead of going further, just close the app. Okay, close the app and again open the app. Okay, again open the app from home page and now click on next and here click on save and click on devices and here you will find Android TV. Okay, this is a signal from your TV. Okay, TV signal is showing here. Okay, suppose if you are using Samsung TV, that will be showing here. Okay, so TV name will be showing here. Here just Android TV is displaying. Just click it and here click on cast my screen. Click on cast screen. Click on start now and your phone screen will be mirrored to TV now. See here. Yes, mirrored. See in the TV too. So what is displaying in my mobile phone, that is exactly available in TV too. Okay, so screen is mirrored. Suppose if you are playing any music file or video file, there will be some sound. Okay, so to adjust this sound, what you have to do is here, just you can rotate it in clockwise direction to increase sound. Okay, to decrease sound, move it to the anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So in this way also you can control audio for screen mirroring. Okay, so in this way you can easily do screen mirroring. I have gone to the home screen and I open gallery, and what is available in my gallery, that is showing in my TV too. Okay, see. So in this way you can easily do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A16 5G with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.